Hello everyone. Today we are going to cook creamy sour eggplant soup.
What are the ingredients that we have?
The ingredients that we have sauce, soy sauce, Khmer pie paste, tofu, eggplant, Thai basil, mushroom, sour tamarind, and coconut milk.
What do we do next?
First, we need to put some coconut milk and stir with Khmer pie paste. And stir fry until it smells good. And we need to put tofu in. And next we need to put mushroom. And now we can put the eggplant. Besides, can you pass me? And next we need to put coconut milk. And wait to boil 2 or 3 minutes. Eggplant is cooked. We need to put salt and soy sauce. And we need to add sour tamarind. And next we need to put Thai basil. Now it is time to serve. And we can put the chili to make a style. Now it is cooked. I hope you guys to make it at home. And now thank you for watching.